right, let's look at question number 1. So if we're given a point on the unit circle, that means the radius is 1, and we're given that x is square root of 33 over 7, and we're supposed to find y. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared equals the hypotenuse squared, so 1 squared or just 1. And then we plug in the value that was given for x. And let's see, squaring that we would get 33 over 49 plus y squared equals 1. And then we'll subtract 33 over 49 from both sides. So then we can replace 1 with 49/49. And so that gives us 16/49. And when we go to take the square root to solve for y, then we need to think about what quadrant we're in. Since we're in quadrant 4, that means that the y value needs to be negative. So the answer here will be y is equal to a negative 4/7.